Hi guys muna. Hi guys! 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi guys!
So ngayon tatanungin natin si Meteor. Ako kasi tinanong ko na siya. Ready ka na, mahal?
Ha?
Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Okay. Meteor, I have question for you. Smile if you want a new daddy.
Yes.
Anak, alam mo yung pinagsasabi mo? You listen to mommy ha.
This one, I said, smile if you want a new daddy.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
In
Yes.
Tagalog, smile ka kung gusto mo ng bagong daddy. Do you love Daddy Wamos?
Yes.
Yes
Oh,
pala
yes
eh.
pala eh. Bakit want mo ng new? Oh, again, look at mommy. Smile if you want a new daddy.
Yes.
Hala, hindi ka
Say
nabibigyan
no.
ni daddy ng ano.
Anak, say no.
No
Oh,
daw.
Listen
Oh,
to your
again,
mom.
listen to mommy Hindi
Okay.
ka nabibigyan ni daddy ng
Go.
egg surprise. Oh, Indian seat first. Indian seat. Straight body. Meteor. Smile if you want a new daddy.
Yes.
Ako na magtatanong ka ng ano.
Tinanong ko na at sinabi niyang yes din. Kasi
Hindi ako magtatanong.
sabi,
Ako magtatanong.
sabi nga nila,
Ako naman
yes
magtatanong.
daw sa akin kasi nga lagi ko daw pinagpe-face the wall. Do you love mommy?
Yes.
Oh, love niyo naman kami kahit nagpe-face the wall.
Ano nga yun? Ano nga yun? Ano sasabihin ko sa kanya,
Smile
tatay?
if you want a new mommy.
Oh.
Daddy's asking us question.
Smile if you want new mommy.
Yes.
So, wala na.
Wala, paampun ka na lang. Gusto,
And then,
comment down below sa lahat ng gusto kong ampunin si Meteor.
oh my God. You want new mommy na. And then, you
daddy.
gonna go to tita mom na. Do you want? Your mommy is tita mom? Your mommy will be tita mom? Do you want?
Oh, ayaw pala eh.
Oh, bakit gusto mo ng new mommy? Pinagtitripan mo na din kami How about this one? Smile if you want a new baby sister.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow! How many baby sister do you want? What?
Ha?
Yes.
How many baby sister do you want?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, what? How many baby sister do you want?
What?
What?
Ang
Dog?
maaso.
What do you want? Baby sister or baby brother? Duck!
Ang hirap gumawa nun, anak.
No, I'm asking
Kailangan ko
you
pa makipag-ano sa ano, duck ka kung
if
gusto
you
mo.
want baby brother or baby sister.
Baby sister.
Girl or boy? Girl and boy? Ikaw na nga yung boy, edi girl na lang. Okay.
Girl.
How many girl do you want? How many girl do you want? Oh, you say
Baliw ka
bye-bye
na.
to guys na.
Baliw ka lang, bala ka.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Ay, wait. You sing muna pala kanina, di ba may sinising ka? Yung sa school.
Oh, hindi nga namin siya
Yung-
maintindihan.
hindi
Akala
namin
kung
maintindihan
ano
kaya
siya.
sinasabi
Pero
siya.
meron siya.
Wait.
Meron siya. Go.
Go, sing.
Sing.
Like that. Yung earlier sing, di ba? Quick, quick, quick. Like that. Go. Oh, you sing that. Go. You sing.
Ay, hindi
say-
namin naintindihan
you
yung
say
kanta na
bye-bye
siguro
na.
sa school niya yun.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
flying kiss. Flying
Flying
kiss.
kiss. Say follow. Say mo, follow mo ikaw.
You say, guys,
Guys,
please,
Please.
don't.
this
You say, please, don't forget to follow me.
Yay!
Baby Meteor. Yay!
Bye-bye guys! Bye-bye guys!
Bye-bye, guys. And na.
Siya pa
End the
nagpipindot
video
talaga.
na. No.
Oh, saan mo pipindutin?
In the circle.
Oops! Bulaga! O, pindot mo na, pindot na. Pindot na, pindot!
The check.